A year ago, it was Alpha. It went to the Beta virus, and now it is the Delta virus. And despite we have discovered vaccines, and the vaccines are all over the place now, but still we cannot run away from the virus to infect us. That's why we are very careful that despite of double vaccines, we must wear masks. We must keep our social distance. And if there's one sector that have been very compliant, I want to congratulate the industry, the tourism industry and the hospitality industry, highly compliant. In fact, we receive clients who have come of late. They have praised the position this tourism industry has been following the requirement of protocols, washing of hands, entering into any public facility with masks, as well as the social distance measures put in our restaurants and hotels, as well as making sure that people get checked on the temperature. So these are very good efforts. Definitely, every day new things come up. But as we go, we will be able to understand that we need to be cognizant to balance between livelihoods and lives as well. We will coordinate together with the command center, that is the COVID command center, on any crisis or any actions to be taken. As well as we have agreed, particularly with pubs and restaurants who break the law, we will shame them. We'll have a list of shame so that people do not destroy the sector because of a few greedy people. And we will take action on those individuals. PERAC is here, they have committed to us, and they said whoever of their members or non-members in that sector break the law, we will name them and we'll take action.